First, let's start from scratch by importing our video into the PowerDirector timeline. Right-click the video on the timeline, then select Edit Audio, Audio Editor. Go to the point in time you want the fade-in effect to finish. Press and hold Ctrl key, then click below the slider to create a keyframe. Select the first keyframe, then move it downwards. This will make the audio to fade in. In order to fade out the audio, repeat the process for the end of the soundtrack as follows. Let's check it. All done. Please subscribe.